This is me. Nope. Not that cool. This is actually me. In front of me is this. The yellow dots are mines. Of course, it is deathfully exploded if I step on them. This is the minefield. As a soldier, I have a mission to complete, running through this minefield. Crossing this finishing line and alive and I finish the job. Simple and easy. Actually not really easy. I have tried many rounds which has limited time. When time is over, the mines are randomly reset. Each round with a lot of trials. Each red dot here is a trial. This is what happened. After 100 rounds, with 50,000 me running in total, none of them is survived. Sorry, I'm a disappointment. Thus, I ask for help from an AI bot to tell me how to get the finishing line, alive. The bot automatically searches for the most danger mines close to me. With these the purple lines. Using the purple lines as the sensors or the input, the neural network now can be trained. This is the training process. At first, the bots are not better than me. A lot of sacrifices. A slaughter. Again and again. But better and better. Yes. Finally the AI bot win. Let's watch it again. Ha 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 ha. This is me. This is the naive.